howling. A smell drifts through the air, a warning of the rain to come to leave me in despair. Well, the water's rising, it's cold up to my waist, and I've gotta get into my boat before